Okay, for this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to scale an object in Photoshop. Before I can scale it, I actually have to get it out of its background. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the pumpkin and put it on its own layer. So I've got the quick selection tool and I'm just going to swipe through or paint on a selection. Got a little bit too much, so let me hit my Option key to swipe away some of this extra selection. There we go. Now with the pumpkin selected, I'm going to copy and paste it. Now I've got the pumpkin all by itself. I want to be on this layer, and you don't have a scale tool in Photoshop, but rather what we do is we transform objects on layers. To do that, you do that under the Edit menu, and you've got two options. You either have Free Transform or Transform Scale. Free Transform basically will let you do everything in this list. So I'm going to do Free Transform. When I do that, I get resize handles. I could go to a corner. I could hold down my Shift key so it scales it proportionally, and I could scale it down. When I'm happy with it, I can hit my Return key to set that in place. Again, that would be Edit, Free Transform. I get resize handles and I can scale it up. What's nice about the Free Transform, I can also go to a corner and I can rotate it, okay, which is really nice. Gives you a lot of options. Again, with the other option under Edit, Transform, you actually have to select Scale, or these other commands do them individually, unlike the Free Transform where you basically can do all these, but I'll go ahead and do Scale. I get those same resize handles and I can come up and just scale. The only thing I can't do would be like the rotate, because this is just for scaling an object under that menu item. So I tend to go with Free Transform, but you do have both options.